So I'm just out in the bush today. I've just come across this. This is a bloody big mound of leaves and stuff, probably 1.5 meters high. And this is the nest of a bush turkey. This is where it lays its eggs, buries them in there so the rotting of the leaf litter keeps their eggs warm. To give you an idea of the size, here's a fallen tree over here. So you can see there, I'll come down to ground level. So here we are at ground level, looking up to see how big this thing is. So, this is on the uphill side of the bush turkey nest. You can see on this side, that ground is nicely swept clean. And that's what the bush turkey does. Comes in with its foot, rakes all the leaf litter down and flicks it up onto that nest. Come over here and we can see all through here, even where the fallen wood is. Must have been a hell of a job to be scratching all this down. But that's what they do, make their nest.